Welcome to my channel. This is TV stand design. As you can see, simple and unique design for living room. You can see the innovation. We have the best design here. As you can see, the electrical wiring is in order. As you can see, this is 1.5 mm cable. As you can see, for TV stand, this is original cable, 1.5 mm. As you can see, the installation is in progress. You can contact us for your project. You can contact us for your project. We have the best finishing, as you can see. You can contact us on 08063098718. Yeah. As you can see, the installation is in progress. We update you when we are done. Thanks for watching.